Did you know there's a Craigslist type of hidden network used to sell drugs and other paraphernalia? Fox 1's Kimberly Wallace explains how the Darknet was allegedly used by a New Jersey man to buy and distribute massive amounts of one of the most powerful painkillers on the market.
It does scramble your IP address, so it creates complete anonymity.
If you think you know about the dangers lurking on the internet, you may think again after hearing about the Darknet.
It's a series of numerous websites that were built kind of specifically for people to be able to browse anonymously. In today's world, you're talking about sex trafficking, children, guns, explosives. Anything that you want to buy is for sale over the Darknet.
Cyber expert Paul Oster, president of Better Qualified, says the anonymity makes it more difficult for law enforcement to track these criminals.
They have to rely on the delivery companies to try and then start to track what's being delivered through these transactions, and that's how they were able, to arrest the man in New Jersey recently, who was selling a tremendous amount of fentanyl.
That 28-year-old man, Chukwemeka Akparake from Kearney, was arrested earlier this week for allegedly obtaining large quantities of fentanyl on the black market. The acting United States Attorney of New York saying in a statement he is charged with conspiracy to distribute using a, quote, alleged scheme combined one of the gravest current threats to public health, highly addictive and potentially lethal opioids with a very modern criminal tool, the Darknet.
The drug is one of the most powerful painkillers available.
Oster demonstrates how easy it can be to get these illegal substances on the Darknet.
You know, here it is. This is 3.5 grams of cocaine for sale for $300. So whether it's fentanyl, cocaine, any black market drugs can be purchased through the Darknet.
For FiOS 1 News, I'm Kimberly Wallace.